Oh hey, spinal wave time again. So spinal waves, as I've mentioned before, are great for getting your spine moving, for getting that little bit of movement and rotational movement back into your spine, especially if you've been stiff for a while. So we can do it on the wall as well as all fours. The all fours video, I'll put a link to it below, but the wall version, some people get it better doing it against the wall. So first of all, I'm going to stand heels as close to the wall as I can and take a step out. Just a normal step, so my feet are slightly away from the wall. From there, head's on the wall, and we're just going to tuck that pelvis under, squeezing the glutes, pushing forward. And now I start to extend, so I start to arch the lower back here, followed by the thoracic, and followed by the cervical as the lumbar touches again. So the idea is you try and leave as much on the wall as you can, apart from the bit that you're working. So I'll just get this arm out of the way so you can actually see it. So you're here, now the lumbar tucks under, comes away from the wall, and as that starts to then extend and curve back this way, the thoracic follows. And then finally, as that curves back towards the wall, the cervical follows. And then the idea is to keep everything off the wall and touch it back on, one part at a time. So one part should pull the next part off the wall, which then pulls the next part off the wall. But as they're coming back, one part, the lumbar, will then pull the thoracic, for example, back onto the wall, which pulls the cervical back onto the wall. And that's your wall spinal wave.